I don't know about you, but my spring diary is booked up with plans, brunches, bank holidays, spring weddings, and the races. I'm going to show you how to create 4 super easy lash looks using our best-selling spring treat box. Our best-selling styles, Chic, Wispy Volume, Mon Cherie are the perfect plus ones to your spring plans. Shop the spring treat box now. First up, we're using our Chic individual to create a softer, more natural lash map. The best part is you can customize placement and length depending on the look you want. For this look, we're keeping it light and balanced. So if you want a soft everyday lash for brunches, a confident boost in work, or coffee dates, this is the one. So here's my everyday spring lash look. It's light, wispy, and super flattering. For this lash map I used 3 10s and 2 12s. But don't go anywhere because later we'll show you how to create a more glam look for the races using the same style. Next up is our Easter bank holiday glam, and no bank holiday glam is complete without your favorite lash. For this one, we're using Wispy Volume. We recommend pairing with glowy skin and your favorite lip combo for the perfect fresh spring look. It's still super soft and super flattering, just a little more elevated. It's giving your lashes but better. And here's the finished look, and I used 3 12s and 2 14s. It's super soft and super flattering, just a little bit more elevated. And now moving on to our spring wedding guest look using our compact Mon Cherie individuals. This lash is perfect for wedding guest glam, and the compact box makes this the perfect lash for the girl on the go. Or it's the perfect size for any MUA kits. So if you've got a wedding booked, you need this lash. It has the volume without the heaviness and is super fluffy. And this is the finished look, and the lash map I used 2 12s and 2 14s. And this style is exactly what you want for a romantic makeup look. Plus, our Invisalign bun and seal is completely waterproof. For any teary moments, we've got you covered. The races are booked, your outfit is secured. Now you need the perfect lash to step up your glam. Earlier, we showed you Chic individuals as the perfect soft everyday lash. But the best part is how versatile they are. With a different lash map, the same lashes can take you from everyday to full race day glam. This lash gives you more drama, more lift, and more definition, perfect for those race day photos. But I'm going to show you 2 different lash maps you can create with the same lash. This is the lash look for the races. So on this eye, we've got the rounded lash map. This focuses the length through the center of the eye, which creates a more open, rounded effect. And on this side, we've got the wing lash map. This gradually increases the length towards the outer corner, giving a lifted cat eye shape. So with the 3 lash styles, you can create endless looks, but these are our favorites. From everyday glam to weddings to the races, all from the spring treat box. There are over 100 clusters in this box, so you're covered for this spring. And by the time you run out, we might have a TATTI surprise for you this summer. And that's all the looks from the spring treat box. Let us know what's your favorite. Bye guys!